Welcome back to Art Kindergarten. We are going to be starting our second part of our project today. Make sure you find your picture that we did from last week. You're also going to need your crayons again. And we're going to go ahead and get started. This time we are going to be making some vertical lines on our picture. We have a little bit more room going vertically, so we are going to do 4 lines instead of 3 this time, and we're going to try some different lines out. We are going to be making this look like a quilt, okay? So we're going to make sure that each square is different on our quilts. Alright, go ahead and grab a color. Try to find a color that you have not used yet. And this time we're going to go vertical. So I'm going to start again with straight lines, okay? And I'm going to make 4 vertical straight lines. And I'm going to go into a different box. You can choose any one that you want to do your vertical straight lines. I'm going to go over my zigzag. Remember how we push hard? Take our time. Don't break your crayons, but you do want to push hard. Go back over it a little bit if you need to. I want you to do 4 of them. Make sure you're spreading out, going vertically, and making straight lines. Don't let them touch. Keep them apart. Okay? So that's one. Now I'm going to pick a new color. And remember, you can always pause the video if I'm going too quickly, okay? I'm going to find a different color here. And this time, I'm going to do a broken line. Broken lines are just like other lines, but they're broken apart. So see how it's little dashes? They're not all connected. It still makes a line. It's just a broken or dashed line. You'll sometimes see these on the road, going down the middle of the road, right? They use the broken line. I'm doing 4 of them, so I have 1, 2, 3. And remember, I'm going vertically this time instead of horizontally on my picture. 4. Go ahead and pick out a new color. Line is a loop-de-loop line, or sometimes a curly line it's called. And again, I'm doing 4 of them, and I'm going vertically, but this one's going to curl on itself. Curls back. And I'm going to keep going up vertically. I'm pushing hard, making my lines bold. And you can always pause the video if I'm going too fast. Pick one more color for your last line. Let's see, I better pick a dark one so that you can see. I'm going to pretend like I'm using yellow, but I'm going to use orange again just so that I know that you can see it. This one I'm going to do, it reminds me of the top of a castle. So it goes up. This one's a real tricky one, so just do your best. Over, up, back. Up, over, up, back. Up, over, up. Boop, I ran out of space. That's a real tricky one. Just do your best. We're just practicing and trying out drawing some new lines. Try to do this castle line, or it almost looks like the side of like a puzzle piece, right? Go ahead and do 4 of them, just doing your best, taking your time, pushing hard with your crayons. When you're all done, you're going to go back into Seesaw. You're going to click on the activity, add a response, take a picture, and send it to me so I can see how good you did. Make sure to keep this. We're not done. We have a couple more steps left that we're going to finish up next week. Have a great rest of your day, you guys.